Today we'll learn two simple VOX-Style motion effects and how to download high-definition web screenshots. Let's start the tutorial. Open Microsoft Edge browser. Select a web page. Press F12 on the keyboard. Click the Toggle Device Emulation button. In the Size section, pull down. Select Edit. Add Custom Device. Rename. Fill in 1920 by 1080. Pixel ratio 4. Click Add Selected. Capture screenshot from the More options in the upper right corner. It is saved in the download path. High-definition screenshot. Alternatively, you can install the Go Full Page plugin. It can capture screenshots of the entire web page content. Just click the button. The free version is more than enough. Okay, let's create a new composition. Import a screen recording I made. Press S to scale it down. Then import a texture image. Change the mode to color dodge. Press T to lower the opacity to 15. Create a new adjustment layer. Add a chromatic aberration adjustment plugin. Change position to 1. Continue adding vignette effect. CC Vignette. Adjust amount to 160. Center the position on the text side. Open video layers by pressing S, Shift plus P. Add keyframes. Move to 1 second. Scale to 100 at the start. Add opacity to adjustment layer and texture. Keyframe. F9 ease. Turn on 3D for the video. Press R to create rotation keyframes. The final position and rotation angle. Adjust according to your needs. Also ease it. Curve effect complete. Continue to import the second animation. Web page screenshot. Open keyframes at the beginning of P and Shift S. Drag to 2 seconds. Adjust scale and position. Display the text to be highlighted in the center. Click the rectangle tool. Cover the text. Change the mode to multiply. Press Ctrl and the anchor point tool. Move to the leftmost negative. Link to the screenshot. Uncheck the constraint button for scaling. Scale the x-axis to 0 at the start. Preview it. Duplicate the shape layer. Move it on the timeline. Press Shift and move to adjust the x-axis. Overwrite with the desired text. Move it to a few seconds again. Screenshot position and scale. Set keyframes. This text will stay for a while. Next, follow the previous operation. Position and scale the screenshot image. F9 for easing. Add a roughen edges effect to the graphic layer. Reduce the scale. Increase the border. Copy and paste to other graphic layers. Final effect completed.